Hi, welcome back to the workshop for the final episode of the Great Guitar Build Off 2021 series, and it's time to unveil the finished product. Now, I've been running right up against the deadline, and to be honest, I've just made it by the skin of my teeth. So what I'm going to do with this video is just give you a quick high-speed run through of the entire build process, and then I'll do a quick sound demo and just go through the specification of the guitar. Okay, in terms of specification, it's obviously a through neck. It's got mahogany rear wings, maple front. Obviously it's got a bit of a carved top going on there. Rosewood fingerboard, 24 frets, tunematic bridge, stop tailpiece. It's got volume and tone are 500k CTS pots, 3-way selector switch, and it's got a pair of Tone Rider Birmingham humbuckers, which is basically their version of a hot PAF. Okay, let's give it a try out. Okay, so I would have much preferred to get someone competent in to play the guitar for you, but you're stuck with me. So I'll just give you some clean sounds first. So that's on the bridge pickup. Middle position. And then the neck. I'm just going to put a little bit of crunch on. So all in all, I'm really happy with that. It's got a good range of clean tones, but really comes alive with a bit of overdrive. Now, I said earlier that this was the final video in the series, but I am aware that I've skipped over quite a lot of the end of the build. So there will be one more instalment to this that will come out in a few days' time, where I will be going through the kind of polishing and assembly process. This has been a really interesting build for me. It's kind of pushed me in directions I wouldn't normally go down, and that's been quite challenging, but it has been an amazing learning experience. And at the end of the day, I've ended up with an instrument that I'm really happy with. And finally, for everyone who's followed along with this build, or even just took the time to watch one or two of the videos, thank you very much. It really does mean a great deal to me. Now, I'm going to be back very shortly with the actual final episode of this build series, so I look forward to seeing you then. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.